We could look at this through the lens of the ancient world. We could look at it through ancient Egyptian, ancient Hermeticism, Neoplatonism, and listen to what the ancient teachers told us about intuition. We can also look at this through modern science. They often speak about the gut feeling. Now, this is essentially the connection between the gut and the brain via the vagus nerve. And there is a lot of data and science behind intuition in a clinical sense. But the reality is, we need to find out how it works. And what a lot of the ancient teachers talked about for many, many years is the first stage is withdrawal. It's withdrawal of the senses. The second stage is a balance of why you are seeking intuition. You must be a virtuous person. If you are seeking it for personal gain, if you're seeking intuition for the wrong purposes, then it may be difficult for you to find the intuition. So essentially, they were saying that it needs a balance of the mind and the heart. And so truth through intuition is shown. Now, another aspect of it is the word itself, intuition, because in the modern day, we see intuition as a feminine energy. Often active is, masculine energy, and passive is feminine energy. So intuition falls into this passive energy. And so it is not something we chase or get or have to become. We create the environment, the right settings, and intuition talks to us. It shows us things in our dreams. There's many things that I've seen in my own intuition in life, and as I go through these experiences, just in life, you're trying to find out, is my diet okay? Is my business okay? Am I saying the right things? Whatever you're doing in your life, you think about this. And you have to quiet the mind so much because intuition, it doesn't shout at you. It doesn't say, hey, listen to me. Here I am. Here's the information you need to know. It says very quietly, this is not right. This is not who you are. You are living a lie. It will say many things to you, but you must quiet the mind to a point where you can hear yourself. And in a chaotic world where everybody is screaming, this is a difficult task to do. But it is entirely possible.